Hey, what's up, adventurers? Today we're going to go through another one of our certified pre-owned inventory units. On the roof, there are roof rails that go along the length of the van. There's 200 watts of solar power on the roof that helps trickle charge your battery system. On the passenger side, there's a Thule hideaway crank awning, and underneath that, there's a light bar that helps illuminate the space under the awning. On the front here, we have the Scout bumper, which was designed specifically for the Ford Transit. It's got the winch on the front and two anchors on the front for recovery points. So this van is equipped with the one-up bike rack with a swing arm, which is so nice. You're able to leave your bikes mounted. You just simply swing the arm open and you can access the inside of the van. And up top, we have a rear overhead work light to help illuminate that area at night. So let's take a look at the inside of the van. So this van has a bunk bed setup. Up top, we have a full-size platform, and right here we have the single bed platform. What's nice about the way these are set up is they can actually be both. So this van could be folded into a single bed platform. There's just this hinge right here, and right here you can kind of see an example. It's got a lock, so you can swing that back and have two single beds. You can have a single up top, a full on bottom, vice versa, kind of any combination of those. And these beds are actually completely removable. So if you want to use your van as just a cargo van, you can remove these beds and utilize the entire space for cargo, or you can just simply fold them up against the wall and basically get the same amount of space that way. This van really shows off the utilization of the T-Track. On the back here, there's bike fork mounts. There's a park tool arm that slides down, so you can mount your bikes up here and work on them off the back of your van. But one nice thing, like everything else in our van, these are completely modular options, so you can just simply remove them. You don't have to purchase the van with these components, but if you are somebody that would like these things, this applies to any of our inventory vans. You can add these components. Just talk to your guru and they can help assist you on adding those type of things to your van. On the back here, you see our power tower. So in this box, we have the 2000 watt inverter. To the right, there are two lithium batteries. Up top, we have all of our switches off the back of the van. So for accent lighting, dome lighting, cargo lighting, DC electric, your water pump, all of those things can be switched on at the back of the van. And then there are actually two more locations in the van, one above the headliner on the slider window, and then one right above the driver and passenger seat. So you have quick access to switch those off wherever you are throughout the van. So this van is a passenger van. So right now it currently has the 3-seat bench in it. What's nice about these Ford factory seats is they're completely removable. So this seat can be removed if you don't need it. A 2-seat bench fits in the same spot. A 2-seat bench fits behind this spot. And then at the slider door, there's actually a single seat that fits called the jump seat right inside the door. They have all the seat belts. There's spots for car seats if you are a family with young children and you need the car seats. Just a really nice feature. You can pop them in and out whatever you're doing that weekend. If you want to fit modules right here and you don't need seats at all, that is also an option. So to improve your storage capabilities in this van, this has two 30-inch hanging cabinets. These are movable, removable. You can put them at different positions throughout the van to really fine-tune where you like all your components throughout the van. And then right here we have our kitchen pod. In the bottom, in the slide tray, there's actually a removable hot water box. And then right here is a fold leaf to expand the surface area of your kitchen setup. And then right beside it is just the gray water tank where you dump it out. It's just a jerry can, so it's super easy to fill and super easy to get rid of your gray water in this van setup. So in the ceiling here, we have the Max Fan air vent, which really helps circulate air throughout the van. The DC powered air conditioning, and with this van having the lithium setup that it does, this DC powered air conditioning can run through the night, help keep you cool if you do want to do some remote camping. You don't have to be plugged into shore power and you're still able to run that air conditioning. On the passenger wall here, we have additional switches for the lighting, your electrical system, your water pump, and the exterior lights. Here is the control panel for the S-bar, so you can set your temperature. The S-bar is the furnace in the van, and it runs off of the gas tank. And it's really nice. It's never going to leave you stranded. If it does happen to pull gas to a certain level, it'll cut itself off, so you're not stranded, and you'll be able to get to the nearest gas station. And then here is the panel for your battery system. So it'll tell you your battery levels and just help you keep an eye on all of your electrical activities in the van. So this van is available. If you're interested in this van and you have more questions, there's a link in the description below to the contact page. It'll get you in touch with one of our van gurus. They can help answer any questions you have about the van, about the things that can be added, taken away, and all the information about the van the way it currently sits. We also have in-house financing and we take trade-ins. So if you're replacing your daily driver with this van, you have questions about financing options, we can get you taken care of. So if you're interested, don't wait, reach out. One of our gurus will be in touch and they can help answer any questions that you have about the van.